When I'm designing a house and there's a spectacular piece of property or a great view, it's important that the house be in harmony with that view and that there be some sort of dialogue between the shape of the house and the land. The area we're in right now is pretty much the heart of the White Mountains. It's a great part of the state of New Hampshire. This house is called the Notch House because that profile of the house mimics the mountain and the notch coming through. We selected modern windows for the project because we wanted to have large pieces of glass in the house, so we knew that modern could do that. But also the thin profile really helped us to create this blurring of whether you were inside or outside, especially in the living room. In a lot of ways, this room is designed in a bit like a shelter with its overhang on the outside, and the windows should go away. And the modern line did that very well.
It's sleek, it fits the project really well, and in this project specifically, the visibility of the window is that we have such a good, high-performing window that you don't really see, and that's kind of the point of a window, and I think the modern line really excels at that.
The Notch project here is in a tough climate. It's going to be very cold in the winter. It could be very hot and humid in the summer, and to have a window that's going to withstand those types of extremes was very important. High-density fiberglass used in Marvin Modern does just that perfectly.